Hey, what's going on? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube, and all you other social medias out there. How you guys doing today on this beautiful Tuesday, the 19th? Well, as you could tell, we're still we're grinding, we're still working. I just got a notification that one of our clients, one of our new clients from San Antonio, just opted into our service about an hour and a half ago. And look how quick he was able to take advantage, jump in, do what he needed to do, get the credit report to the company that we're working with that's helping us be able to move credits very fast. So you could tell as directed, look at all the stuff that we're moving in dispute already. Look at that. In under 2 hours. In under 2 hours, we were able to dispute all this information, get him set up, secured, protected, be able to track his progress, his growth, his expansion, his debt to income ratio, but most of all, how bad debt is coming out of his record. Over $40,000. So, like I said, we're doing it. He's in San Antonio and we're here in El Paso, Texas, and we're doing it this way. We utilize technology to help us speed up our process and be able to do a lot of things. So if you're interested, want to know more, give me a call. 915-247-8784. Again, that's 915-247-8784. Or send me a text, DM here, or click the link that I'm going to leave a link later on here, or where you could schedule your 15 free minutes. And we could see how quick we could get you up and going. Like I said, at the end of the day, we don't only want to fix your credit. We want to be able to get you into a house, a car of your dreams, and a business. That's our goals. So you want to know more? Give me a call, 915-247-8784. Let us know, man. Come visit us at our office. Bye.